So plan for this video was completely different. My plan was to show the footage and why I want to sell GoPro, and I'm gonna only use iPhone to film my videos, but instead of selling it now, I'm gonna use it even more. But I'm not gonna use any mounts, like maybe chest mounts sometimes, but no like tripods. The GoPro is like has a flat surface, so I can just put it on the floor and start recording. That's much faster and much easier way to film. I'm frustrated with iPhone that I have to unlock my face all the time, unlock the phone, then go to let the camera up and click one button, starts recording. It takes me so much time when I want to record as much as possible, because I want to record every single day, and I'm preparing to traveling full time and recording something all day. So I think the daylight performance, it's actually very similar to iPhone. I thought it was much worse, but it's actually very good. You just have to be in the sunlight. What else? Like, of course, the low light performance, it's very, very bad, but maybe that will force me to just wake up early. But it's how small that camera is, compact and pretty good quality, good stabilization. Now I'm so glad that I decided to record a video about selling GoPro. What else? I really like the slow-mo in GoPro. It's much. You can do much more with slow-mo and with GoPro. In iPhone it's easier. Basically iPhone does everything for you, but you cannot really edit that footage, the slow-mo. So and I love to use slow-mo in my videos. So then another plus for GoPro. Mic sound is actually very similar to iPhone. Those are the types of shots I can just keep the GoPro in my hand, or just drop on the random floor and starts recording very, very fast. So I think that will improve my cinematography, different types of angles, the future videos. That's a small decision